the ultimate ethical hacking masterclass. Throughout this comprehensive journey, you will acquire a vast array of technical knowledge and practical skills that form the backbone of ethical hacking. From setting up a hacking environment to writing a powerful Python script, you will dive into the following sections, okay, or the following key areas. So, the first one is Introduction to Ethical Hacking. So, in here, we are going to grasp the fundamental concept, principle, and legalities associated with ethical hacking. That means we are going to give you introduction about ethical hacking, okay, and also about the course. So, introduction about the course, the whole course, and also the ethical hacking concept, ethical hacking blueprint, the path, and like this. So, hacking lab setup. Here we are going to install and configure a virtualized environment using a VirtualBox, including Windows, Kali Linux, and Metasploit. Okay, and also much more in this part. In Kali Linux Basics, which is going to be the third part, we're going to explore the fundamentals, okay, of Kali Linux, gain familiarities with basic commands, and learn password management techniques. So, we are going to go in section 4, which is network pen testing. Here we are going to understand the structure and component of network, dive into MAC addresses and wireless mode, and also we are going to learn to evaluate network vulnerabilities. Okay, so after we completed this, we are going to move into the gathering information from network. Here we are going to master packet sniffing techniques, and also we're going to target packet sniffing using tools like IRDAM PNG, enhancing your reconnaissance capabilities. Okay, so after you completed this section, we are going to go to section 7, not 7, really 6. It is going to be wireless attack. So here we're going to explore strategies for fake authentication and also crack WPA, WPA2 encryption, boosting your wireless hacking proficiency. And now it is time to move in post connection attack. So here we're going to employ powerful tools such as NetDiscover, Nmap, BetterCap, and also Wireshark for in-depth post-connection attacks on various platforms, including Windows and Android. So we're going to hack through Windows and also Android and get full access of Windows and also Android. In section 8, we're going to go to detection and security. So here we're going to strengthen your ability to detect ARP poisoning, identify suspicious activity using Wireshark, and employ NetDiscover with NetStalker program, which is very, very useful, okay, for enhanced security. And also I'm going to give you access to this program. You can find this program in the sources, and in section 9 we are going to go to gaining access. So here we will discover vulnerabilities within the system, exploit them step by step, and gain authorized access by leveraging multiple exploits strategically. So in section 10 we are going to go to attacks on users. So here we will utilize wheel and create a backdoor for extensive user targeted attacks, enabling you to manipulate and control Windows and Android system. So this both. And in section 11, we will go with BEEF, Browser Exploitation Framework. Here we will exploit the power of BEEF to hook targets, retrieve password, and execute backdoor deliveries, further expanding your penetration testing capabilities. Okay, and we will move to post exploitation. So here we will dive into the you know intricacies of post exploitation techniques such as Trojan icon customization, file download and upload, keylogging, and ensuring persistent access. That is very, very important. So be careful about post exploitation section to follow them carefully. And finally, we will move to information gathering. Okay, so here we will discover powerful tools like Netcraft and Crawler to extract critical information and enhance your reconnaissance capabilities. So after this, we will move to website pen testing. So in website pen testing, we will uncover vulnerabilities in web application, execute code injection, and also exploit file inclusion vulnerabilities and practice remote file inclusion techniques. So when we complete this part, we will move to MySQL for ethical hackings or ethical hacker. So here we will gain an introduction to MySQL and understand essential database operations including insert, delete, update, select, and advanced query techniques. So here you will get information about MySQL, so you could use them for ethical hacking. So later we will need them for SQL injection. So now it is time for SQL injection. In SQL injection, we are going to master techniques for executing SQL injection in both post and get methods. You may don't know what is post and get methods. If you don't be worried, because through the course all of them is covered step by step, so you will get understand. So extract sensitive information from databases and utilize SQL map for automated exploitation. And after this part is finished, now it is time to move with programming. Okay, so in this course we are also going to cover programming like Python. So we will start with Python basic. Okay, acquire foundational knowledge of the Python programming language, essential for developing powerful hacking scripts and tools. So beyond basic, harness the power of Python to manipulate MAC addresses, design algorithm for MAC addresses changing, and also develop network scanner and create ARP spoofers, and also packet sniffer and packet sniffer detectors. Okay, with Python. And after this all are completed, we will move to write malwares. So in malware development, you will learn the art of writing malware, including keyloggers, backdoors, and explore packaging techniques using Python. Okay, and after this all are completed, we will move to website hacking with Python. In here, we are going to leverage Python to explore website vulnerabilities and execute various hacking techniques. And also, we will move for password guessing, employ Python for automated password guessing, enhance your ability to crack locking credentials. So after that, we will move for vulnerability scanners. So in vulnerability scanning, we will develop uh, your own vulnerability scanner using Python, enabling you to identify potential security weaknesses in system and application. So after all these are completed, so that is it. Now let's go and move for the course benefit. So what is the benefit of this course? What you will get, okay? So in here, you will get the extensive knowledge of ethical hacking techniques, learn practical skills applicable to cybersecurity professions, and also gain hand-on experience through real-world scenarios and practical exercises. You will be able to develop expertise in using tools like Kali Linux, Metasploit, Wireshark, and also much more tools that I did not bring it in my slide. So you will get them, you will learn them through the course, okay? And also understand the importance of ethical hacking and securing digital systems. So also boost your career prospects in the field of cybersecurity. And who is this course for? This course is for anyone aspiring ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals, and also IT professionals seeking to enhance their skills in cybersecurity. And also, this course is especially for students and learners interested in understanding ethical hacking techniques, and also individuals interested in protecting their digital assets and privacy. So the course structure. This course is divided into two parts. Okay, if I talk about in general, the first part is using pre-built tools. Okay, the tools that is already built in, and other peoples are using them. They built it, and all people around the world they are able to use it. So the best ethical hacking tools. And the second part is to create your own tools by using Python programming language, which is very good programming language, and that is the Python. So the pre-built tools we are going to use is Nmap, Zenmap, Net Discover. These are all for discovering client that is connected in our network, and also we're going to use BetterCap. In you will get understand of BetterCap and also Metasploit. You will understand everything about Metasploit in this course. Don't be worried. And also, if you got any kind of question, you can ask me. We will start learning about VL, Trojans, backdoors, and hack Android, and also how to hack Windows. And we're going to go through Beef and also discovering vulnerabilities. So also SQL injection. These are all the tools, things that already people have done it. Also, we are going to do this, okay? And the next one is to create our own tools for hacking. So in here, we are going to use Python. So we will start from the very basics, okay, the fundamental of Python. So you will start with variables and create your first application. Then we will move on to start creating the second one, which is going to be the Mac spoofer. So the Mac spoofer is going to be our first program that is going to be kind of hard. After that, we will go with network scanner. Okay, we will create our network scanner and then ARP spoofer with Python, packet sniffer, and also after we created our ARP spoofer, we will go with ARP spoofer detector. You may not know what all of these things are. If you don't be worried. through the course we explained each of them so you could understand. If you don't understand them in through the course, you can ask me. Okay, I will share my contact details with you as well. So when we move in malwares, we will learn how to create our trojans with Python, and also backdoors, keyloggers, and too many things, okay, with Python. Also, we will start creating program for website hacking, hacker program, okay. Also, the vulnerability scanner. You will create a program to scan any kind of website you want. So your program will find if the website has any kind of vulnerability. And after completing the course, you will get a certificate from Udemy, and also I am here to support you 24/7. Okay, and then my contact information. Okay, if you have any kind of questions or any kind of problem, you can ask me through the Udemy platform. If you're not able to do that, so you can contact me using this email address, and also my Facebook group. So right now I haven't added that here. I will be sharing my Facebook group. It's a community. Okay, you can join that and you can ask questions. All people there, they're asking questions, they're solving each other's problem. And also my Telegram, it is here, Nemetila underscore ikhtiyari is my ID. You can find me here as well, and also my YouTube channel, and you can find me here as well, Nemetila ikhtiyari. And that is it. Okay, so I am here 24/7, me and my team, okay, to help you to grow in this course. So please join the course and get the thing which is the course. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the course.